Have you ever imagined a change so dramatic that a caterpillar crawling slowly on leaves suddenly transforms into a beautiful butterfly that can fly? Or a tadpole swimming in water changing into a frog jumping on land? This extraordinary phenomenon is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis comes from Greek, consisting of 3 words. Meta meaning between, around, or after. Morph meaning form. And osis meaning part of. Literally, metamorphosis can be interpreted as a change of form. In biological context, metamorphosis is the change in size, shape, and body parts of animals from one stage to the next. Metamorphosis is not just an ordinary physical change. It's a complex biological process where animals undergo profound structural transformation, changing not only their outer appearance, but also internal organ functions, habitat, and even their behavior. This process is controlled by hormones that affect body growth, tissue organization, and the formation of new body parts. Today, we will explore the amazing world of metamorphosis, from its different types, the stages animals go through, to the hormonal mechanisms that regulate this spectacular transformation process. We will see how these small creatures undergo the most dramatic changes in the animal kingdom. Complete metamorphosis, or halometabola, is a type of metamorphosis where animals undergo very drastic form changes from birth to adulthood. In this process, the animal's body form, when hatching, is vastly different from its adult form, making it sometimes hard to believe they are the same creature. Complete metamorphosis stages consist of 4 main phases: egg, larva, pupa or chrysalis, and imago or adult. The presence of the pupa phase is the distinctive characteristic that differentiates complete metamorphosis from incomplete metamorphosis. This pupa phase is the most amazing transformation period, where the entire larval body structure is totally changed into adult form. A classic example of complete metamorphosis is butterflies. The process begins when female butterflies lay eggs on plant leaves or stems. Egg size is very small, only about 1 to 2 millimeters, with shapes varying from round, oval to spiral. After several days, eggs hatch into caterpillars or larvae whose forms are completely different from adult butterflies. Caterpillars are active feeders that continuously eat leaves to grow rapidly. During the larval phase, caterpillars undergo molting or skin shedding 4 to 5 times to adjust to their body growth. After growing large enough, caterpillars search for shaded spots and make chrysalises. Inside this chrysalis is where total body structure reorganization occurs, transforming caterpillars into butterflies with beautiful wings. Butterflies are not the only ones that undergo complete metamorphosis. Beetles, bees, flies, and mosquitoes also pass through 4 life stages, and each stage plays a vital role in their growth and survival. Unlike complete metamorphosis, incomplete metamorphosis, or hemimetabola, is a form-changing process where animals don't undergo drastic changes. The animal's body form when hatching is not much different from its adult form. The main difference is only in body size and reproductive organ maturity. Incomplete metamorphosis stages consist of only 3 phases: egg, nymph, and imago or adult. What differentiates it from complete metamorphosis is the absence of pupa or chrysalis phase. Nymphs are young animal body forms that already resemble adult forms, but are smaller in size and have underdeveloped reproductive organs. Grasshoppers are classic examples of animals undergoing incomplete metamorphosis. The egg phase lasts 1 to 10 months depending on grasshopper type and environmental conditions. In subtropical regions with winter seasons, grasshopper eggs can hatch over quite a long time. When eggs hatch, nymphs emerge and search for food. In early nymph phase, grasshoppers don't have wings, so they can't fly. They undergo several instar periods or skin shedding as their wings begin growing. During summer, after nymphs shed skin several times, wings and reproductive organs emerge 30 days later. The nymph period lasts 30 to 40 days until finally becoming adult grasshoppers that can fly and reproduce. Other insects like cockroaches, crickets, and dragonflies experience the same process. They develop from egg to nymph, then to adult, without passing through a pupal stage. This gradual transformation allows them to grow while staying active and able to survive. Metamorphosis doesn't just happen. This process is controlled by a very complex and well-coordinated hormonal system. In insects, there are three main hormones that play roles in metamorphosis: brain hormone or ecdysotropin, molting hormone or ecdysone, and juvenile hormone. Brain hormone or ecdysotropin is stored in the corpora cardiaca, which are endocrine glands near insect brains. This hormone functions to stimulate the prothoracic gland to release molting hormone. Molting hormone or ecdysone is produced by the prothoracic gland, which is a segment on insect bodies that has the frontmost pair of legs. Therefore, this hormone is also called prothoracic gland hormone or abbreviated PGH. Juvenile hormone is produced by the corpora allata, a pair of endocrine glands located near the brain. The interaction between ecdysone and juvenile hormone determines the direction of insect development. If juvenile hormone concentration is relatively higher than ecdysone, it will stimulate larval development and prevent pupa formation. Conversely, if an insect sheds its skin without juvenile hormone, that animal will differentiate into adult form. Ecdysone is continuously produced until molting into adulthood, playing a role in stimulating RNA and protein synthesis needed in forming imaginal discs. In adult insects, there is no ecdysone for skin shedding because their prothoracic glands have degenerated after metamorphosis. Besides insects, another animal group undergoing dramatic metamorphosis is amphibians like frogs and salamanders. Frog metamorphosis is one of nature's most spectacular transformation examples. The process begins when adult female frogs lay eggs in water. After about 10 days, eggs hatch into tadpoles. Tadpoles have very different forms from adult frogs. They have long tails for swimming, breathe with gills, and have no legs. During the tadpole phase, extraordinary gradual changes occur. Back legs begin growing first, followed by front legs. Lungs start developing, replacing gills. Tails gradually shrink and are reabsorbed into the body. The digestive system changes from herbivore to carnivore. This entire frog metamorphosis process takes about 2 to 3 months. Salamanders show greater diversity in metamorphosis patterns. Some salamander species undergo complete metamorphosis from aquatic larvae to terrestrial adults. However, some other species show pedomorphosis, which is a condition where they retain larval characteristics like external gills even after reaching sexual maturity. Metamorphosis is not just an interesting biological process, it's an evolutionary strategy that provides significant adaptive advantages for species that experience it. By undergoing metamorphosis, animals can occupy different ecological niches at different life stages, reducing intraspecific competition for resources. In amphibians, skin undergoes the most extensive changes in adapting from water to land. Amphibian skin is a particularly complex organ responsible for respiration, osmoregulation, thermoregulation, defense, water absorption, and communication. During metamorphosis, skin and many other organs in amphibian bodies undergo extensive rearrangements in adapting from water to land. Complex life cycle evolution has played a major role in shaping metazoan forms. Research shows that shifts in the number of life cycle stages are associated with rapid phenotypic evolution. Salamanders with aquatic-only or pedomorphic life cycles have frequently added vertebrae to their trunk skeletons compared to close relatives with complete metamorphosis. However, life cycle complexity can also constrain morphological evolution. Adaptations for one stage may compromise evolution to another stage. Salamanders retaining the ancestral complex aquatic to terrestrial life cycle show slower rates of body form evolution compared to species that have simplified their life cycles to aquatic only or terrestrial only. Metamorphosis is one of the most amazing phenomena in biology that teaches us about the power of transformation and adaptation. From caterpillars crawling to butterflies flying, from tadpoles swimming to frogs jumping, each change is real evidence of life's complexity and wonder on Earth. The metamorphosis process shows how living beings can undergo dramatic changes controlled by highly coordinated hormonal systems. Complex interactions among brain hormone, molting hormone, and juvenile hormone regulate each transformation stage with extraordinary precision. This is a perfect example of how living bodies can fundamentally restructure themselves. What's most interesting about metamorphosis is how it allows one organism to live very different lives at different stages. Larvae living in water and eating plants can transform into adults living on land and hunting insects. This strategy reduces competition between young and adult individuals of the same species, providing significant evolutionary advantages. Understanding metamorphosis is not only important for biology, but also provides philosophical inspiration about change and transformation. Like caterpillars that must go through the seemingly passive pupa phase to become beautiful butterflies, sometimes we also need to go through difficult transformation periods to reach our full potential. Metamorphosis reminds us that change, though sometimes frightening, is an essential part of growth and development, both in the natural world and in our own lives.